Okay, haven't really. Oh, okay. Haven't been doing a good job with the daily videos, so I'm gonna do something fairly mundane as we stroll through the rose garden here. There's some roses over here. Let's have a look. There's one over here. That's pretty. Being the flower connoisseur that I'm not, I don't know when roses are supposed to bloom. Usually in the spring, right? So I guess it's kind of odd that these guys are blooming. But we did have some decent rains of late. And then there's some pomegranates. They've all been ravaged by the birds. But we did get quite a few off before they were eaten. There's the school dormitories. Here's the Protestant cemetery at the back. Horatio Spatford, the gentleman that wrote "It Is Well With My Soul," the hymn, is buried just around the corner to the right there. And then here we are at the okay, all right. Apparently we're at the crazy zone. Got a couple hammocks here. And some laundry, and then up there, that wall, which is actually back a few feet from the building here. If we come around this side, you can see it's probably what, a good 30 feet or so, 20 feet, 30 feet. So this wall back here generally follows the line of the ancient city wall from Jesus's time. And I haven't really done any talks about the property here. But back over to the left, at our gate entry area is the foundation of one of the watchtowers. And you can see here the bedrock. That's the bedrock of Mount Zion. And that somewhere down there you might find ancient, and further over on the other side of the wall. Sorry, I can't talk this evening. I don't know why. I've had plenty of coffee. There's another foundation of a watchtower that would have been along the wall here. So anyway, yeah, kind of exciting. So basically when they rebuilt the city walls in 1540s, Suleiman the Magnificent, he kind of bypassed this southern part of Mount Zion and went straight across to the east to Zion Gate, and then over to the Temple Mount area, just south of the Temple Mount and whatnot. I'll put some pictures up with this video so you guys can see the aerial view. All right, I think that's it for today. Oh, did you find? I smell citrus off the tree right here. Wow, look at that. Is it yummy? It smells really nice.
Orange.
Well, it's like a tangerine, maybe. Like a dream. Oh, you gonna give me some?
Yeah.
Look at that. All right, well, there it is. Hope you enjoyed our little interlude here on the way to get the laundry off the line, because those aren't any other classmates of mine.
And this is orange. First orange. Yellow. Woohoo!